Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I had a huge surprise from Houseplant shop. They sent me this huge box to unbox for you guys. I really had a great experience with Houseplant shop. So it was like a week or so ago when I have been eyeing this purple anthurium that they had online, and I actually found the shop through Amazon. So I was super happy when I found the anthurium. I was actually trying to purchase the pink one, but I accidentally put the purple one in my cart. But I'm so happy that I did, because this is what I got, and it's been like 2 weeks and it's still doing so good, so healthy, and it has 4 blooms on there, and it's just so gorgeous and beautiful. But you guys, so I just got this box delivered today. The mailman literally rang the doorbell and he ran. He was gunning it down the driveway with his blue gloves on too. So anyways, you guys, I'm gonna open this up. How have you guys been holding up? I know it's been about, I don't know, over a month with all of this stay home business, but you know what? I love it. I am a homebody. Staying home is where I belong. Like, I can't be anywhere else. Like, I just love it, you know? I love working out in the yard and fixing it up. I love it when it's springtime and I can plant all my flowers. I love houseplants so much. It's a real joy. I love it. So here's a cute little book. They've included this on my last purchase as well, and that is so good to have. Okay, so here's the first package. Okay, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I am so excited about this. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's a black pagoda lipstick plant. And, oh, we lost one leaf. Ah, okay. But look how good she looks. Oh my gosh, those leaves. Check out those leaves. They are just so gorgeous. You can see the sunshine behind them and all that gorgeous. Oh, it looks like tiger stripes or something. Open you up. Let's open you up, girl. Wow, it's big. Here it is, my black pagoda lipstick plant. And the soil is a bit dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and water her and see how she does. I never had a lipstick plant before, so I'm like super excited about this. The blooms are supposed to look like a tube of lipstick and just super pretty, and it's supposed to bloom, I think, through spring through summer, but I haven't really done a ton of research on it, but I just knew that I needed to have this in my collection like right when I saw it. So there it is. But anyways, this is what I'm talking about on the back sides of the leaves. Like super, super pretty, right? And here are the fronts, and this one is the black pagoda lipstick leaves. This other one is really cool. I haven't seen this before, and it's really big too. cool. This one is called the, oh my gosh, I forgot the name. It is called Aralia Fabian Stump Polycius Scutellaria plant in a 6-inch pot. So anyhow, let me take it out so you can see. This is it, basically. The leaves look like a rose bush, so I'm really interested to know if this flowers. It is really pretty. So have you guys had any experience with these? Because I have no experience at all whatsoever, but I just thought it looked super cool and I love it. I think it's really cute. His soil is super loose, so I mean, it didn't come out of the pot, but he's a little bit wiggly inside the pot. So here he is. Alright you guys, well that is the end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I have never had an experience with the Aralia Fabian Stump, and the black lipstick pagoda is really awesome. I think it's a gem to add to anyone's collection. I'm glad that I have it in mine. So you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. I will be making more planty videos as well as other videos. So for now, I'm going to let them rest right there behind me and see how they do in the next few days. I will update you guys and share on my Instagram account, so make sure that you're following me there so you can see the updates on those little guys. All right, you guys, have a good one. Talk to you later. Bye.